Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to Happy at Home. I am so excited about today's video because I have partnered up with FabFitFun to do an unboxing of their summer box. I am so excited. This will be a first for me. I've never done an unboxing video like this before and it has been very hard not to bust into this thing before turning on the camera to share with you guys, but I wanted to save it to share my excitement with you guys. So FabFitFun offers 4 boxes per year and each box is valued at $200, and it's not just the little sample sizes of things, it's full-size products just like you would buy off the shelves at the store, which I think is cool. But what I really like about these boxes is that they combine beauty and fashion, fitness, and tech. So it pretty much covers all of your bases, and I think that's awesome for busy moms like myself. So I am excited to get this thing opened up and see what's inside, so let's get started. So right on top of the box is their FabFitFun Magazine, which looks like it's got quite a few little articles in it, which I'm excited to read through. It looks like this, and there's even a crossword puzzle in the back. That's kind of fun. But anyways, so in here it'll give you a breakdown of all the things in the box and the retail price. So I'll make sure to include that as we go through the box here. And then also on top, it looks like there is a little code that I can share with someone else, a friend or family it says. And then there's a little card here for HelloFresh, which I've never tried before. Alright, so let's get into this. I'm so excited. So excited! Alright, so let's see. What am I going to pick out of there first? There's a little purple. There's some purple in there. It caught my eye, so I'm going to pull that out first. It is Generation Clay. It is a brightening purple clay mask. And it is valued at $39. And it says it boosts hydration and rejuvenates dull skin. I love clay masks. This is going to be fun. Let me try it out here. It doesn't really have a scent that I can smell. Oh wait, it does. Can you see that? It's got like a little purple tint to it. I love clay masks. This is going to be fun. I'm not quite sure if I like the scent of it, but it's temporary. If it does its job, I don't care about the scent. So, ooh. It's not like, I'm used to like clay masks to be really thick and like hard to spread. This one is not. It's like a really thick like lotion, just a little thicker than that probably. I just had a little bit, but ooh, it's drying fast too, which I like that. That's pretty cool. So that's cool. I cannot wait to use that. That'll be fun to use. Alright, so this next item is kind of silly because my daughter was actually talking about them the other day. She was going on and on about them, and she's like, we gotta try those. I want to see if they work in my hair. So she's going to be super excited about this. It's called Invisibobble. They retail for $16. It looks like there's like 6 of them in here. And they are like hair ties, but they're supposed to not leave like that weird, you know, scrunched, that weird line in your hair that you can get from regular traditional hair ties. So I don't know, this will be interesting to see. Let's see if I can get one out. Alright, so they look like this. They're just like a little thing, and then you see that? They're stretchy. Apparently these things hold your hair super duper tight and they don't mark up your hair, which is awesome because I have very thin but thick hair, and every time I put a ponytail in, it doesn't matter. I always get the weird funky line on the back of my head, so that's kind of annoying. But I am excited to try these. So yay! Alright, so this next item is called Spray All Day, and it is by Grace and Stella. It is a rose spray. It says it's a hydrating rose facial spray. It is retailed $25.95. This is a heavy bottle. So I'm excited about this. It's supposed to hydrate your skin or moisturize it and not mess up your makeup. So, oh, such a fun little bottle. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's just the palest of pink. I love it. And like super, I love the packaging because it's like just simplistic and stylish. I love that. So I'm going to spray it on my face and see what I think. Get it spraying here. Oh, That smells really good. It's a little heavy, like the scent is a little heavy at first, but it dissipates pretty quickly. Oh, feels good. I love this stuff. I'm going to use a lot of this, I think. So anyways, that is the Spray All Day Rose Spray. Oh, that is so fun. And that'll just look gorgeous, like just sitting on your dresser somewhere. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So the next item is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. It says it's a fast absorbing body cream, and I think it's so cute. I love that it's yellow and white. That's so cool. So let's see what it smells like. It's got a fun, really nice chunky lid. I like that. Makes it easy to open. Let's see. You see that? It's got like a little slightly yellow lotion, and see how it absorbs. Ooh, it like blends in real nicely. It's got a, I don't know how to describe it, slightly musky scent, if that makes sense. It's not at all fruity, but yeah, it's not bad. Definitely a scent, but not terrible. That's an interesting scent. Like, I don't think I've ever smelled anything like that before, but it's not unpleasant. Should I say that? Alright, so then you also get the shower gel. This says it is a Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. This is interesting to me. So I'm going to try it on here and put some on my hand. See what it smells like. I wonder if it smells the same as the cream. It's got a slightly different scent. A little more coconutty or something like that. It's very creamy. Look at it, it's kind of lathering up a little bit. It's hard to tell if it's a different scent because I can still smell the other stuff. But yeah, it's nice and smooth. Blend. Looks like it'll foam up real nice. That'll be awesome. So there's the two of these, and they go for $45. The Bum Cream and the Cream Shower Gel. That is so fun. So the next product is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Now, this retails for $30. It is an all-natural balm that soothes and heals dry and damaged skin. And it says it also can be used on burns and scrapes, which would be perfect for summertime. So let's get this out and see what it looks like. It looks like it's a little tube. Oh, how cute. A little tube like this. Again, I love the simple packaging. This is so cool. So yeah, you're supposed to be able to use it on scrapes. Oh, it's like a little gel. Oh, get the lid back on. It wants to come out really fast. Can you see that? It's like a clear gel. And then you just, ooh, it's very thick feeling. That is awesome. That'll feel really good on like sunburns, I'm thinking. I don't know. But yeah, I'm thinking this will be a very helpful thing this summer. This retails at $30. So yeah, I've never even heard of Dr. Rogers before, which is awesome because I never would have found this on my own. Which makes this box so much fun. So this next item is for your hair, and it's called the Living Proof No Fizz Nourishing Styling Cream. It looks like this. This is supposed to help smooth and condition your hair, block humidity without weighing it down. I am so excited about this. I'm always on the lookout for new products to use on my hair because my hair does, if left alone, it doesn't go curly, it goes frizzy. And in the summertime, even more so. It's a nice white cream lotiony sort of thing. It's got a scent that almost, it's got like a lemon scent maybe, or lemon verbena, something like that. I'm very not so great at distinguishing scents, but this is like very light and refreshing smelling. Yeah, that'll be awesome. I cannot wait to try this in my hair. I have to go try it out tonight when I wash my hair. I'm very excited about this. This is going to be awesome. So the next item is 3 resistance bands from Burn 60. These are retailed at $34, and it looks like they're 3 different sizes. Got a red, this is the heavy, and then there's a medium, and then there's a light. So I'll open up the light one. So we don't want to, you know, break out in sweat now, do we? So yeah, it's just a nice long resistance band. Nice and stretchy. That's awesome. I love resistance bands. They're so much fun. It makes working out easy, I think. Ooh. Yep. That'll help. So that is awesome. So there's 3 resistance bands and they're from Burn 60. Cool packaging once again. So the next thing is from the company 111 Skin, it is called, and it is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Look at that. Cool box. Sorry, it's a little glary there. And it sounds like there are 5 masks in here, and it retails for $160, and each mask has 24 karat gold and rose extract to brighten, soothe, and hydrate the skin. My girls are not going to get to try these at all. I'm going to use all of them. Let's see if we can break into this and see what they look like. Alright, so it comes in this little packet right here. This is actually a sheet mask, which I've never used a sheet mask before. I've always used like clay masks and stuff like that that you like rub onto the skin. Alright, so on the back, on the front of it, it says it rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. It reinforces and protects the skin barrier function, diminishes the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles, and the 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten and even the skin tone. So yeah, that's what's in there. That'll be exciting to use. I'm going to use one of those tonight. See how it makes my skin feel. That's really fun. I like that a lot. So the final thing in the box is by Whisk, and it is called the Exfoliating Foot Mask. It has a powerful, effective naturals, it says, coconut milk and verbena. It's supposed to soften and smooth, and it has intense hydration for your feet. So now you can wear sandals. This will be awesome. So it looks like this right here. It's got a little gold band on it, and it says it exfoliates, polishes, soothes, and smooth. Oh, this is awesome. I've never tried a foot mask before, so this will be awesome. So now I can wear my sandals. Oh, I never said what it smells like. Let's see. Whoa. Alright, it comes out fast. It is a clear, can you see that on there? And it spreads out quite, I don't know if I'm going to be able to see that. It's got a very weird scent. I'm not quite sure if I'm a fan or if it's just mixing with the other scents that are going on right now. But it's a good, I think it's a good thing that's going to be on my feet, because I don't think I like the scent of that. But it'll be okay because it'll be on my feet and not on my hands. So, alright, so there you go. Apparently, you rub it in and let it do its magic. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so those are all the products that were in my summer box from FabFitFun. Now, if you are considering getting a summer box of your very own, you can get 10% off your purchase if you use the coupon code ROBINJ. I will make sure to put that information along with the information for the website for FabFitFun down in my description box. It'll be right at the top of the description box so you can easily access it and use it if you are so inclined. Alright, so that is it for me today. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me, and thank you to all of you for watching this video today. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you again very soon. Bye now.